maganda. Alam mo yan, kuya? Parang yung stupid love yung alam mo, yung sa salpapuna.
Crazy for you!
Sing as the music starts. Nakapun ba ako? Strangers making the most of the time. Two by two, what is become one. Hindi mo ba rin alam yung part na yan? I see you through the smoky air. Nanginig yung labi mo. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? Nuumusan ako, but still the world's away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Gusto may asawa ko. Diba? Pero yun. Oo. Tapos gusto mo kumalik. Gano'n ko yan. Stupid! Trying hard to control my heart. Okay, I will convert to where you are. Boy. I too are here, no Ganyan ka, makita ka ni Papa Martin siya. Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. If you read my mind, you see I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Parang mga lasing lang sila, no? Ilan taong ka na, kuya? Ha?
30.
Ay, hindi halata. Ilan taong ka na dito?
Wala nga pa 2 years.
2 years. Bakit mo naisipan dito?
Dito kasi mga kamag-anak ko tsaka new life.
Wow! Maganda ba ang buhay ko sa Pilipinas? May napatay ka ba doon? Ang new life dito?
Maganda kasi pag sa ibang bansa para, you know.
You know! You know!
English? Bakit pinamalit mo ako? Nakakaintindi ako English. Sige, English tayo. Wow. English tayo. Wala si Amber dito. Excuse me. Sige na. Parang ano eh. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.